Silver is breaking out, demand is exploding, and yet it's still undervalued compared with gold. In this video, I'll show you why I'm buying silver right now, how high I think it could go, and the signals I'll be watching. For when to sell. This isn't financial advice, just my personal strategy. Here's why silver matters. Silver has a dual role, as an investment haven and industrial metal. Let us look at some of the demand drivers for silver. 1. Electrification and EVs. Gas cars use about 20 grams of silver. EVs use 25 to 50 grams. As EV adoption rises, so does silver demand. Solid-state batteries could require much more, though estimates vary. 2. Solar power. Each panel uses about 1.2 grams of silver. U.S. solar installs is projected plus 26% in 2025 and globally, the increase is at plus 10%. 3. Technology and artificial intelligence. Advanced circuits, data centers, and military electronics, such as drones and missiles. They use silver for conductivity. There is silver supply challenges. Silver mining peaked in 2016. In addition, ore quality has been declining. About 75% of silver is byproduct of gold, copper mining, so output can't easily be ramped up. Unlike gold miners, silver miners are relatively smaller in operation size. Recycling of silver offsets some decline, but it is not enough to meet rising demand. Silver is used as an insurance against inflation. Silver protects against inflation, just like gold, but with more upside potential. Silver has been used as money for thousands of years. It has survived wars, collapses, and crises. Here is silver's valuation and upside. Gold-silver ratio, or the GSR, is historically stretched. If it reverts closer to 60 to 1, silver could easily reprice significantly higher. Let me give you an example. If gold is at $3,500 per ounce and silver is at $41 per ounce, GSR is 3,500 divided by 41, which is 85.4. In other words, the gold-silver ratio is stretched. If the ratio reverts to 60 with gold still $3,500, we find that 3,500 divided by 60 equals $58.33 per ounce implied for silver. That is a higher reprice for silver. I would not sell you any hype. Gold can also rise and keep EGS ratio as it is. Here is how to buy silver safely. Physical silver. Coins, bars, but only from reputable dealers or coin shops. Keeping gold and silver at home is always risky. Many turn towards paper silver, such as ETFs like SLV for liquidity, and even riskier, the silver miners. They are easier to buy, sell, but you have no direct possession, which is fine for many people in times of peace. As for my exit strategy, I'm not selling until silver clears $50 per ounce. But be forewarned that silver, with a higher beta, is twice as volatile as gold. Whereas gold is mostly a form of insecurity insurance, investment, and for jewelry, 50% of silver is used for industrial purpose. If industrial use tanks, such as during COVID, silver will drop sharply. At the same time, when it rises, it will light up like fireworks. Warning signs that I will use: gold-silver ratio drops near 50 to 1. Investor FOMO and sudden spikes. Potential short squeeze in futures market. Here are some risks and reality check. Silver often falls in the first phase of a market crash due to margin calls, before rebounding strongly. Price manipulation and shorting remain issues, though they may set up future squeezes. Expect volatility. Silver is more high beta than gold. In review, silver isn't just a safe haven. It's an undervalued, high-potential asset with real-world demand in EVs, solar, and tech. My plan is to ride this cycle, watch key ratios, and diversify profits into gold, platinum, and real assets. What's your view on silver's future? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for my next deep dive into gold versus silver. Please subscribe.